Nandadeep, volume. Louder.
Today we have gathered here to celebrate one of the most important days in the history of our nation, Republic Day. On this day, 26th January, we remember how our Constitution came into effect 1950. The Constitution is like a rule book that tells us how we should live together peacefully and happily in our country. Republic Day is important because it reminds us India is a free country
Samaksh,
where everyone have rights like right to speak, study and live with respect. As children, we can help in many ways to make our country a better place. We can be kind, help others and take care of our surroundings. In our apartment, we live together as one big family. Just like in our apartment, India is a place where people from different cultures, religions and backgrounds live together. This is called unity in diversity. Let's promise to respect, help those in need and keep our country clean and safe. Happy Republic Day to all. Thank you.